Ikea, the only place the guys don't like.
Hold on tight, we won't ride, it's just thunder tonight.
Every year in late September we have this local fair or market where sellers around Finland are gathering here in the little town of ours, which is a really big happening or event happening here. We started out with some Chinese food because we were hungry, and I got me some chicken and rice because protein. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, enjoy! Thank you. And for all the new subscribers, which maybe don't know me personally, I think this is a great time to introduce my wife in this romantic setting. So now you know a bit more about me. And the next day we went on a little road trip. First we went to Ikea, and then after that we went to a friend housewarming party, or what you call it in English. Party when your friend has moved in to a new apartment or house and you have a party there.
Exakt.
Ikea, the only place the guys don't like. I feel lost. And one more tip to you guys: never go shopping with girls to Ikea. Yeah. The first thing I came to think of is a rich piano joke, but I live right here. And of course I can't leave you guys without some gym footage, even though I don't run any program yet until Monday. My new Sheiko starts. Here's me warming up, practicing technique for the Sumo Deadlift, which I'm not used to at all. It has been about a year since I have used it, but it didn't take long for my muscles and body to feel comfortable in this position, just going back and forth, tweaking some details here and there. It feels quite good now actually, and you see here 110 going up also quite smoothly here. And remember, make some gains.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight.